Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I did something different. I did a wash and go. I haven't done a wash and go since last year when it was warm, maybe September at the latest, I believe. I was washing every 2 weeks, but now I'm going back to my weekly wash day. I use this leave-in conditioner, the GV. It's a 10 knockoff. Love it, hydrating. Plus Sally has a 40% off sale, so I got it at a good price. And I use this Curls Blueberry Bliss curl control jelly tongue twister. I wanted something light. I wanted something that wasn't gonna give me a hard cast, and hopefully it doesn't leave this residue like most gels do that I have to deal with all week. We'll see, but so far I'm liking the result. It did define my curls. I can tell that it is for finer textured hair because it didn't do much for my 4C and my crown. I did diffuse because I wanted to go ahead and set my curls in place. I wanted to get it semi-dry so I could actually leave the house. Y'all know how it is on wash day. You're kind of a hostage in your home until your hair dry, or you're going out with a wrap. Well, today I did not want to go out with a wrap. If you're interested in seeing how I got these results, keep watching. Thank you and see you next time. All right, I'm starting off with freshly washed and deep conditioned hair. I'm going to start section by section applying the leave-in conditioner, making sure it is all over my strands and well saturated before I go in with this jelly. And I'm just detangling and making sure my hair is ready to take the product and the tangle teaser. So I'm going in with the jelly. It is not that thick. It's a lightweight jelly. So if you need something heavy, this is not the product for you. My daughter used it. She has super thick hair and it did not give her any definition. So that's just a heads up. All right, so now I'm just detangling. And now I'm about to shingle my hair. I've never shingled my hair before. I thought it was so tedious and time consuming, but I don't have thick hair. So this did not take long at all to just go in section by section, separating the curls from each other so that they have their own little area to curl up. And yeah, it was easy, and I got the results that I wanted because I had lots of definition by doing this. I've never done it before. Normally I just detangle my hair and let it dry and clump up on itself, but this gives me the most definition. I will start doing this more often. So yeah, look at the back. I love the definition that I have at the back. So yeah, I'm just repeating the same process, leave-in conditioner, detangling, and the jelly. And it didn't take long. I've seen people shingle before and I thought, no way I'd sit up and just pull out each strand. But it wasn't as time consuming as I thought it was, as I thought it would be. All right, so that's the side. Looking good. All right, I finished it. So now I'm just going to brush up my edges and just get my hair into the shape that I want it to dry in. Okay, so I got this Revlon dryer with a diffuser attachment. I got it on low setting and warm, so it's not a lot of heat. And I'm just going in, I'm just each area, I'm just letting it sit there maybe 30 seconds and moving on to the next area. And then I start to slightly stretch my hair by pulling, giving it a little tension on the strands, just so I can eliminate some of that shrinkage. And as you can see, my hair is starting to fluff a little bit. I did not get it completely dry. I just wanted the initial setting of the curl and a little bit of stretch because this is first day hair. And these are basically my results. I didn't want to overdo it. I didn't want frizz because I didn't know how this jelly was going to react. So I just stopped here and I got some definition. My 4C is not as defined, but it's okay. That's it. Thank y'all for watching.